So in this video, we're going to talk about how to get more sales. If you're a small audience and you don't really have a big following, how do I get sales? So there's two ways that I'm going to talk about, but if you stick around to the end, there is a bonus way they're going to talk about as well to help boost and increase your sales. The first way to get sales is organically. So organic just means that you're posting content on your social media platforms, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Instagram, whether it's TikTok. I recommend choosing one platform and just focus on growing one of those and just post content on there organically for free. You don't pay to have this pushed out. You just put your content out consistently and then the algorithm pushes it out. This way is a good way to get clients and get leads. But if you have a small audience, it is going to take time and you're going to have to post content consistently in order to get results. Now, if you don't have a huge budget, but you may be working a 9 to 5 or you have other income coming in, you do have time to do this. And if you're building a business on the side, you definitely have time to do this, to post your content on that platform consistently to help get in leads, if you have a product, to help sell that product, but it does take time. The next way is a way where you can expedite that. And this method is paid traffic. So whether you're running ads on Facebook, on Google, my preferred method is Facebook. Now this will cost money and you're wondering, okay, so again, I know I'm a small audience. I don't really have a huge budget to do this, which is fine. That's good because you don't want to start out big as well. I would recommend starting out when I first started, and still to this day, when I'm starting out with a new sales page or a new lead magnet or delivering a new product to get awareness, I typically start out with $5 to $10 a day. And then once I see that it is converting and that I'm getting sales in and I'm getting a return on my investment, then I usually increase that budget somewhere to $50 to $100 a day, as long as I'm making a return there, and then sometimes higher if I'm getting a higher return. The key is you don't mind spending money if you're making money. And then worst case scenario, if I'm running and trying to get leads, then as long as I break even on the ad spend, then I'm good because I know I have the customer's information captured and I have them on my email list, and I can continue eventually to sell products and add more products. Even if I'm running a low ticket product, if I break even, that's fine because I can do more options. Instead of just adding that low ticket product, I can add order bumps to my funnel, and I can add things like upsells to increase the order value as they come through and get onto my list. But the main thing is that I get them on my list, I get them to purchase, I find out whether they're a buyer, and then in most cases, repeat buyers are going to buy. And that leads me into the bonus thing that I was going to talk about. And that is the easiest way or the quickest way to get an influx of sales is to go and sell to people you've already sold to. So if you have clients and you're a freelancer and you're offering services to them, say maybe you're just doing a funnel building or building a website for them. There may be ways, if you know how to run ads, there may be an opportunity for you to offer your ad services or be able to run traffic for them. So there's other tools or other services that you can offer. Look at your offer suite and see what other tools that maybe they're missing because you're working with the client. So you can see within the business what holes or what gaps needs to be filled as you work with them in order to upsell more services to help increase their revenue. Another way too is if you already have a list, whether it's a small list, if you have a list of clients or people that have bought from you and you're offering a good product, if you have a new product or new service that you're wanting to offer, sell to those people again. In most cases, if they bought from you, they're more inclined to buy more from you. What I found out is it's a lot easier to sell to people you've already sold to than it is to acquire new customers. So those are just some quick tips if you're getting started and you want to get an influx of sales. If you're new to getting started with your business, you don't have products and you're looking for get started, check out my last video of what you can do to get started with your online business and keep it simple with starting out. See you guys on the next video.